above principle. Meaning of above, building up. German word, filling up of orbitals with electrons. A rule is given. The electrons in various orbitals are added progressively in order of increasing energies, starting with the orbital of lowest energy. Here the order of energies of various orbitals is, this is 1s. 1s has lowest energy, and energy level are increasing in this manner. Order is given this. C 3p, then 4s, whose energy is greater, 4s energy is greater than 3p. This is the order. We can find this order by this rule. See how we will find the order. See, one condition is you write in this manner: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, then 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 6s, 6p, and 7s. In this manner you will write, and you start from here, 1s, then you return from here, this, from this direction, 2s, then after 2p, 3s, then after increase energy is increasing, 3p, 4s, then from here 3d, 4p, 5s. In this manner you will move and make this series. Above has given, above means building up, above principle. Now another method is n plus L rule. 2p and 3s. N, value of n, that is 2, and value of L for p, that is 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3s, 3p, 3 plus 0 for s, the value of L, that is 0. Now when whose n is greater, if the total n plus L is same, then whose n is greater? 3. See here, 3s. 3s. Energy of 3s is greater than 2p. It means whose n is greater has greater energy.